Hello everyone, I'm Brussels Baguio and I'm here to talk about the 6 EU cases that violated the GDPR or the General Data Protection Regulation. The GDPR is a landmark legislation in data privacy and protection, aimed at safeguarding the personal data of individuals within the European Union. The 6 cases illustrated here is discussed for its wide-ranging impact from airlines to tech giants, highlighting both the significance of data protection and also the hefty consequences of non-compliance. What are the cases about? All of these cases center about the breaches or non-compliance with GDPR involving both the mishandling the personal data and inadequate measures to protect customer informations. Companies in various industries such as airlines, hospitality, technology, postal services, real estate, and even telecom were fined for either exposing sensitive data or failing to uphold GDPR standards. On British Airways, it has suffered a data breach in 2018 where hackers redirected users to a fraudulent website. About 500,000 500 uh, about half a million customers' data, including personal and payment information, were compromised. The UK Information Commissioner's Office or ICO were issued a fine for the British Airlines for 204.6 million euros. On Marriott on Marriott on Marriott International Hotel, it also faced a breach affecting its customers for 300 million customers globally, I guess. 300 million customers globally with over 30 million European Union residents impacted. The sensitive data such as the credit card numbers and passport details were exposed, leading to a 110.3 million euro fine. For Google, which is not a subject for a data breach, but it was fined for 50 million euros for failing to provide a clear, accessible information on how consumer data is processed. It is also said that Google did not obtain the valid user consent for personalized advertising, violating the GDPR's transparency and consent tools. On on another company, the Austrian Post sold data to third parties, including information on individuals' political inclinations. The unauthorized selling of data led to a fine of 18.5 million euros for violating GDPR regulations. On Deshte Wonhen SE, the largest real estate GDPR breach case, has fined the company for 14.5 million euros for returning personal data longer than necessary without a legitimate reason. The company did not comply with GDPR's data minimization and also the storage limitation principles. Lastly, for One and One Telecom GmbH, this telecom company's call center lack adequate security measures, allowing the customer data to just be accessed by its name and the date of birth. The company was fined for 9.5 million euros for failing to implement strong authentication measures, violating the GDPR's data protection requirements. From all of that From all of that cases, the central issues is the failure to comply with GDPR standards. For specific issues, it is included that on British Airlines, Marriott, and Deutsche Wenhan SE, it is all about the data breaches because it exposed large amounts of data customer. Uh, It exposed large amounts of customer data due to inadequate security measures, violating the GDPR's data protection principles. Also, the lack of concern and transparency for Google, which was found guilty for not providing enough transparency in its data processing policies and failed to obtain proper user consent for targeted advertising. Speaking of targeted speaking of illegal illegal content illegal speaking of failing to obtain proper user consent, the Austrian Post also do that with unauthorized data selling. It is illegally sold. The Austrian Post illegally sold the consumer data to third parties, including the information on political inclinations, which strictly prohibited under GDPR. Lastly, it is for the one-on-one telecom GmbH with did not have the robust authentication processes for authentication so in place, making customer information vulnerable to unauthorized access. For the rulings of EU court on British Airways, it was fined for 2.4 million euros for data breach. For Marriott, it is fined for 100.3 million euros for a large-scale data breach again for affecting 300 million customers. For Google, it was fined for 50 million euros for failing to provide clear consent process and transparency around data processing. For Austrian Post, it is fined for 18.5 million euros for unauthorized data sales. For Deutsche Wohnen SE, it was fined for 14.5 million euros for returning personal customer data beyond the legally permitted period without justification. And lastly, for the 1&1 GmbH, it was fined for 9.5 million euros for inadequate authentication measures that put the customer data at risk. My takeaway from these cases are transparency and consent are crucial. Companies must have clearly communicate how they collect, store, and also use data. Google's case illustrated the vague language and hidden data policies are not acceptable under GDPR. Consent need to be explicit, unambiguous, and also freely given. Next, it is another takeaway. We should be strong data security measures should be essential, as the cases with British Airways, Marriott, and 1&1 Telecom GmbH. They all suffer because of inadequate data protection measures. Robust security frameworks, including the encryption and strict authentication protocols, are vital to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Overall, these cases emphasize that data privacy is a fundamentally right, and organizations must take their responsibility seriously to protect individuals' personal data. As a future engineer, it should be an understanding the importance of GDPR and adhering to data protection laws will be crucial when working with technology and handling user data. Again, I'm Bob Russell Asbagio, and thank you for listening for my video.